Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a very easy method to set page numbers on specific pages, as well as how to add headers and footers to specific pages. Watch this video until the end, I'm sure you'll understand the procedure easily. So, let's get started. Suppose you have 3 chapters, and the first page is blank. First, go to Layout and insert a page break. You can also enable formatting symbols to help you see the breaks, then uncheck it when you're done. Now, insert a break after the title page of Chapter 1. After Chapter 1, insert another break to separate it from Chapter 2. Again, insert a break after the title page of Chapter 2. You now have the text for Chapter 2. At the end of Chapter 2, insert a break to move to Chapter 3. Then, insert another break after the title page of Chapter 3. Finally, you can enable the formatting symbols to see exactly where the page breaks have been inserted. Now, go to Insert and add page numbers. You will see the page numbers appear in sequence from 1 to 7. Suppose we have a blank page after Chapter 1. I don't want to number the first page, so I'll select the page number and check the different first page option. Now, you'll see that the blank page no longer has a page number. But your next page is starting from page 2. If you want to number your first page as 1, click on the page number, go to Insert, and then select Page Number Format. Choose the Started option and set it to 0. Now you'll see the required page number sequence. Now you want to remove the page number from the blank page. Before page break, you can insert a section break on the required page. Go to Layout and click on Next Page under Breaks. You'll see a section break after Chapter 1, and you'll notice that the blank page no longer has a page number. But now the problem is that Chapter 2 is starting from page 1. Oh no! But don't worry. Just click on the page number, and check Link to Previous, then go to Format Page Numbers and set Starter to 3. Now, check the sequence from the beginning, everything should be in order. Now, look at the sequence from the start once again. You can also add a footer. Just double-click and write the text. you'll see that the first page is blank, then look the sequence of the footers. Notice the next blank page. This page doesn't have any footer because there are two sections, Section 1 and Section 2, which we created earlier. Do not worry. For Section 2, you just need to retype the footer, and that's it. Check the sequence. Everything is okay now. Perfect. Similarly, you can add a header to the document. I'm adding the header now. Finally, take a look at the entire document. Perfect. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching.